Hey guys, if you're tired of the corporate grind but not ready to quit just yet, this video is for you. I'm Katie and I was laid off twice by two different companies. But instead of going back to a 9 to 5, I built my income through digital and affiliate marketing. Now, I help corporate professionals and virtual assistants earn $1,000 daily profits and passive recurring income without quitting their jobs yet. And today, I'm giving you the exact strategy to make $2,000 per month in the next 30 days. Let's go! Prefer reading over watching? No problem. I've included a link to the full training document in the description below, so you can go through everything at your own pace. Step 1. Leverage a done-for-you system. Most people overcomplicate making money online. But here's the real shortcut. Use a done-for-you system that people actually need. Enter Funnel Freedom software, a tool that helps businesses automate their marketing. And you get paid 40% commission every month when they sign up. Here's the math. Funnel Freedom costs $97 per month. You earn $38.80 per sign up every single month. 50 sign-ups equivalent to $1,940 in passive income. Think of this like Netflix. People keep paying for access because they need it. Same concept, but now you get paid. Step 2. Give away a $2,000 course for free. Now, how do you get 50 sign-ups fast? You don't beg. You don't hard sell. You give away something crazy valuable for free. That's where the Freedom University course comes in. This course teaches people how to use Funnel Freedom to get paid for services like lead generation, SEO optimization, email marketing, ad management. Instead of convincing people to buy Funnel Freedom, you're saying, hey, I'll give you a $2,000 course for free. Just grab this software using my link. It's a win-win. Imagine giving away a free gym membership, but only if they sign up for a premium personal trainer. The value is undeniable. Step 3. Get sign-ups using Facebook posts. You don't need ads. You don't need a huge following. Just post on Facebook and let people come to you. An example post. Want to learn how to make money online without selling courses? I'm giving away a $2,000 course for free. Drop a fire in the comments and I'll send you access. When people comment, just DM them your link. That's it. It's like offering free food samples at the mall. People try it, love it, and want more. Step 4. Scale up with email marketing. Want even more sign-ups? Use Freedom AI to write high-converting emails for you. And here's a secret. Freedom AI is free right now if you sign up for Funnel Freedom today. Limited time offer. Think of email marketing like planting seeds. The more seeds you plant, the more money trees you grow. Step 5. Your investment and passive income potential. To use this strategy, you only need to sign up for Funnel Freedom yourself, a $97 per month. Here's what you get. The $2,000 Freedom University course, free. Freedom AI, free. Limited time offer. Your own Funnel Freedom affiliate link. Weekly coaching calls to keep you on track. Your potential earnings. 10 sign-ups, equivalent to $388 per month passive income. 25 sign-ups, $970 per month passive income. 50 sign-ups, $1,940 per month passive income. 100 sign-ups, $3,880 per month passive income. Imagine buying a $97 coffee machine that earns you hundreds of dollars every month. Pretty sweet deal, right? Alright, now you have everything you need to start making $2,000 plus per month in passive income. So here's what you do next. Sign up for Funnel Freedom using the link below. Start giving away the Freedom University course for free. Post on Facebook, send DMs, and watch the signups roll in. If you're serious about creating location, time, and financial freedom, this is your sign. Let's build your freedom lifestyle together, one step at a time.